Hi everyone, I'm Mama J and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're making vegan soy burgers. For those times when we want a little break from meat, but still want a similar experience. Let's get started. First, to a bowl, add the TVP, nutritional yeast, garlic powder, salt, soy sauce, ketchup, and veggie broth, and give everything a good mix. I'm using mushroom broth as I had some on hand, and I would definitely recommend it if you haven't. Add the water, cover, and let sit for about half an hour to rehydrate. When the TVP is fully hydrated, add the chickpea flour and ground flaxseed. Then stir to make a paste. Cover and refrigerate for a couple hours or overnight. After refrigerating, the mixture should have come together and be moldable. Cut into portions and form them into patties. Add the patties to a hot pan over medium heat and cook for about 5 minutes. Flip the burgers, cover, and cook for another 4 to 5 minutes. When browned on the other side, serve up as you would any beef burger. I enjoy having these from time to time as a substitute for real meat. They do taste pretty meaty, but they definitely aren't. I serve them with my hominy bean salad and top them with my apple onion ketchup. It turned out delicious. Thank you all for joining me, and if you enjoyed this, hit that thumbs up and let me know.